Silly girl. Hi, silly girl. Hi. You show them all the exercises you were doing? Oh, yes. Yeah. 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 Show them your push-up. Show everybody your push-up. Show them your push-up. Or your baby roll. Oh, goodness. Huh? Huh? Livy. Livy. Good job. Good push-up. Good push-up. Hello. Daddy's talking about dips. There's Daddy. Daddy, we're taking a video. What do you think of Olivia right now, Kyle?
I'm impressed. Her gym time is paying off.
We took her to her first My Gym class today. And how do you think it went?
It went well. She was advanced.
What kinds of things did she do?
She swam. She played on the swing. She went on the slide. She was suspended in a dolphin.
That was the swing. She played with balls. She played with hula hoops. We sang songs. She played with toys. She had separation time. She did fine for. She played on a piano. Yeah. My goodness. You just rolled your way on over, huh? You're a wild woman this afternoon. Are you a wild woman? Yeah. Wild woman. Yeah.